Hello my dear children, very beautiful morning to all of you. So, lastly we have seen about Uttarayan, Dakshinayam, equinox and all that things, right? Leap year. So, now we are at the point eclipse, right? So, let's further continue it. We get light from sun and moon. Sun is self-illuminated and shines brightly, means it does not have to take light from other source. It is self-illuminated, self-light only. So, it shines brightly. While the moon is illuminated with the light of the sun. Illuminated means moon does not have its own light. It captures the light from the sun. And sun is self-illuminated. Illuminated part is seen on earth on a different days. So now illuminated, Grahan you can say, right? So we have to discuss about that. An occasion when moon of the sun seems to completely or partially disappearing. When you see the moon or the sun, that is not there only, partially it is disappearing for some period of time. Because one of them is passing between the other and the earth, in such situation it is eclipse. Means what? That one is passing through other. So this situation is known as eclipse. Now we will discuss two type of it. Solar eclipse when sun will be disappearing, and second is lunar when moon will be. Okay. So let's start with our solar eclipse. Moon is close to earth. It revolves around the earth. So what? Moon, it is close to earth and it revolves around the earth. We have seen in that picture. Sometimes while revolving it comes between sun and earth. So what? Moon is revolving on its axis. So sometimes what happens? It will come here like between. Here moon is there. And suppose sometime what happen? It will come in between earth and it will come in between sun. So moon is between both of them. Right? Now, at that time, as the shadow of moon constrains, sun is not visible. So when moon is between the earth and sun, the shadow of it, so sun is not visible at that time. This event is called as solar eclipse. So how this sun, this solar means sun disappear? Why? Because when earth revolves around both of them, sometimes it is between both earth and sun, and the shadow of it will fall in directly on the sun. So it is disappearing. So this is known as the solar eclipse. As the moon is very small as compared to the sun, it cannot recover whole sun. Sun is too big as compared to that moon is small. So it is not recovering it. The solar eclipse cannot be seen all over the world together. Yes. So here what is the point? If we have seen Chandragrahan like that, you can ask your parents. At that time what we can see? The moon. But here when solar eclipse is there, sun is too much big as compared to earth. So in all the world we cannot see that sun is disappearing. Why? Because the moon is too short. Sun is too big. So we cannot see this whole thing. But if it is lunar is then we can see. The solar eclipse cannot be seen all over the world together. Solar eclipse occur no moon day. But that event does not take place on every no moon day. It is occurring in no moon day. But it is not that every no moon day the solar eclipse will be there. Sometime only, maybe in 1 year, one time or two time it will be like that. Okay. So see here in the picture, region where solar eclipse is visible. So see here earth you can see. Then what? Here between moon is there. And here sun is there. So the shadow of it, the sun will disappear. So region behind it what? We can see the solar eclipse. Now lunar eclipse. Moon gets lighter from the sun. Thus, if the sun rays going towards moon are obstructed by the earth, then the part of the earth remain dark. So what? Moon get light from the sun, because as we have seen that moon is illuminated and sun is self-illuminated. Thus, if the sun rays going towards moon are obstructed by the earth, then sun rays going through the moon, when sun rays are passing through the moon like here, obstructed means sometimes it is bhatkav you can say na, it will fall to another place or it will harsh on it. So what? Their lunar will be wet. This part is not visible to us, and when it is obstructed, it is not visible to us, which is called lunar eclipse. So this process is known as lunar eclipse. So what? When sun is giving light to the moon, what happen? The moon, sometimes the light are abstracted from it. So this is known as the lunar eclipse. Such event occur on the full moon night, but such event do not take place every full moon night. So here this is occurring lunar eclipse in full moon night, okay, and solar in no moon night. But every full moon night lunar eclipse will occur. It is not compulsory. In solar, every no moon day solar eclipse will occur. It is also not compulsory. Okay. So we have seen today eclipse, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So here we will complete our whole chapter. Okay. And in next lecture I will send you a PDF note of this 9th chapter. Dear children, your exam will be not there, or there we might know, but you have to write it and practice well. Okay, I will send it and you write it. Then in next chapter we will start with our new chapter. Okay, thank you children.